a beautiful morning. On the way to the farm, in the middle, we saw this temple, so we came to this temple. Do you see those hills? That's my grandpa's farm. We reached the farm, so now let's trek the mountain. My grandfather's farm. Let's explore the farm together. It looks like a rock, a nice rock. But when you throw it into real rock, it breaks. So it's soil. That's here. This is dal.
No.
Dal. This is dal.
That is used for cleaning.
And let's use it for This is Tur Dal plantation. These are trekking sticks for the trekking work. These are sticks for campfire. We put large sticks. We're gonna get a new house. Got so tired that we got a ride. It's so green and beautiful. We enjoyed our farm trip. Hope you like too.